So I wanted to show you guys a power washer I found in the garbage, and I restored. I ripped it all apart, put new gaskets in it, redid the bar, redid the bottom here, put my own little decals on it. And it's a Husky 2200, so I guess it's like a 3 or 4 horsepower engine, a little small one. I cleaned it up as much as I could, but my biggest thing was that the carburetor, which is connected to the gas tank, was just really hard to find. And I looked around for it, and it was really expensive. So then I looked on Amazon for it, and they didn't have it. And I looked on eBay, and I couldn't find it there. And then I was like, shit, this power washer is junk, basically, because now I can't find the carburetor gas tank thing for it. So I was like, screw it, it's done, it's a done deal. So I was just gonna just throw it out and make the thing it holds on to just something I can carry stuff around with. But then I was like, oh, let me just look again on Amazon, and there it was. I can't believe it. So I ordered it up, and they just dropped it off. And I'm very excited now because I have this part that was kind of hard to find. And it's like a carburetor connected to a gas tank. So, let me take a look here. Sorry. I'm holding the phone in my one hand. Okay, so there it is. Brand new. And metal. The problem with the other one was that the gas tank had holes in it on the bottom here, right there, and right there. And I just couldn't, I was going to try to pour 15 it or try to fix it in some way, but it just didn't want to work. So I'm going to get this on here, and we're going to start this baby up today. Thanks for watching. I'll shoot another video in a little while. Have a great day.